let me show you how to access your Play Store on your Google TV. So doing this is very complicated actually in my opinion. For example, if you go over here in the apps, so if you want to install apps, you can simply go over here, search for the app, but again you actually have to know the name of the app, you can't browse. So, and if you want to access the Play Store, the only way is we actually have to go over here. So on this range over here, so go over here, then again click all settings over here, navigate to the apps over here, open those, and then so you won't see it over there, but simply click see all apps, then navigate all the way down, so click show system apps over there, and then we have to swipe like quite a long time basically. So okay, so you see here it is. So again, so simply open it, and you see we actually have our Play Store. So again, I think this is very confusing, and why they can't put a link directly to the Play Store on the home screen really is beyond me. So again, you can see your apps over here. So if you want to install something, again, you can basically do that over there. Also on the top over here, if you want to download games, so we simply have to go over here on the games tab, and here we have all the games. So again, why this is so complicated, I really have no idea. And again, I have tried to find a way how to put direct link basically over here on the top, but again, I'm not able to do that. So this really has to be changed. But the good thing is when you actually go do this again, so you see your one of the latest apps will probably be the Google Play Store that we opened already. So yeah, next time it will be faster, at least that. Anyway, good luck.